Okay, so today we are here with an updated video to show you all the functions and settings in our micro color LCD display. This one comes with some brand new functions and settings, such as our parental lock feature, which allows parents to set a speed limit on the bike and put a pin number on it so that it can no longer be accessed or tampered with. So let's get stuck in. We'll press and hold the power button on the bottom to power on the bike. Once we're in here, you'll see the layout of buttons is power, menu, plus and minus. So your most commonly used buttons are plus and minus to cycle up and down between your 5 levels of pedal assist. While in your normal riding screen, you can single click the menu button and that cycles through this extra information here, such as time, odometer, average speed, maximum speed, range remaining, as well as your power output. Now, to access the settings of the bike, double click the menu button and that brings us into this screen. So you've got 6 different screens here, so we'll go into the first menu. So this is where you can change the language. You can also change the system, which goes between either metric or imperial distances, so kilometers or miles. Brightness of the screen, auto off, so that allows you to set a timer. When the bike's inactive, it will turn off automatically. And then we go back to the next screen. To the next section here, we then go in. So this is where you can set a start password. That's where you can create your own PIN number that locks the bike and disallows any unauthorized access. Assist levels, this allows you to choose from either 5, 3, unlimited or 9 levels of pedal assist. Typically we find 5 is the most functional, so we recommend leaving it there. Now the other one is wheel size. We do not recommend adjusting that because it comes correctly set from the factory, and same with your battery setting. Just leave that as it's set from factory. Battery indicator allows you to display that in either voltage or also percentage if you prefer, but we think voltage gives you a better idea of when your battery is going to run out. Also your power indicator, you can choose either current or power, but again, we prefer to do it as current. And then that's the end of that section. Next one is the advanced settings. Now you will need to enter the pin 1919. That will let you access this section. Now here is where you can set your own pin number or also your parental lockout mode. So to go in here, you can actually come in here, set your own password. This means only the parent can know the password and only you can access these advanced settings, which doesn't allow anyone else to come in and tamper with things such as the next section, speed limit. So that's where you can actually adjust the speed to anything you want. So one example would be a parent can set a lower speed limit for their less experienced child to ride safely. Work mode, so this is where you can adjust the power output of the bike between 3 different levels. So essentially it adjusts the torque of your motors. Throttle, this allows you, if you have a throttle installed on your bike, you can also turn off or on the throttle function. And that is the end of that section. Next one here is if you wish to factory reset your bike. And then this one here is all the system info, such as battery and product info, serial numbers and so forth. Then this next one backs us out to the main screen and we're done. Press and hold the power button and power the bike off.